Clever deer. One day, a mouse deer was walking with his friend the cow in the jungle. Suddenly, they were stopped by a big lion. The lion wanted to eat the cow. The mouse deer quickly thought of an idea to save his good friend. Oh, Mr. Lion, I am taking this cow to the Lion King for his meal, said the mouse deer. If the Lion King does not get his meal, he will be angry. You will have to kill the Lion King first if you want to eat this cow. Then you can also become the king, continued the mouse deer. The lion was very curious when he heard of the Lion King. As far as he knew, there was no other lion who was as fierce as he. He asked the mouse deer to take him to the Lion King. The mouse deer took him to a deep well. The lion saw another big and fierce lion in the well. At once, the lion leapt into the well to kill the other lion. He did not realize that it was only his own reflection in the water. In the end, he was drowned. Moral of the story is think smart when you are faced with danger.